kung gaano kagandang pagmasdan ng isang pamilya sa ating harapan. Kaya deserve nila ng isang magmasigabong palakpakan.
Face an electric soul. Will you still love me?
So ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing because at this moment we're about to start our program with a short prayer to be led by Pastor June Velasquez.